makes it so challenging. All right, so maybe Hannes Aigner, who is Mr. Experience, a couple of Olympic medals, including bronze in Tokyo. Can he get Germany something to cheer about in the finals of the men's kayak? Oh, I should tell you, by the way. Zigalin Hosova, the young Slovenian, is into a final. That is very, very exciting for him, the young man. Zigalin Hosova into the final. Now, can we get a German in there? Hannes Aigner is trying to get into it. Giovanni De Gennaro is the man to catch, sitting up there, top of the leaderboard. 2 more spaces available. We have Hannes Aigner, and then the big man Joe Clark will be the last paddler on the course. What can Joe Clark do for us? At the moment, a good run here from Hannes Aigner. He's just outside the split, but I think he can go sub 100 here. Let's see. Yeah, I think he is. I think he's going to go sub 100. I think he's going to book himself a ticket. Let's have a look. He is just under, but that is good enough for Hannes